In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send out emails on Mailerlite quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to email marketing or a seasoned pro, Mailerlite provides a user-friendly platform that makes reaching your audience a breeze. Let's dive right in and get you prepped for your next campaign. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Mailerlite website. This is where all the magic happens. Once the page loads, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner and click on Login. If you're not yet familiar with Mailerlite, note that the platform offers various templates and tools to enhance your email marketing strategies. It's worthwhile to take advantage of these resources. Once you've clicked Login, you will see options to sign in. For ease and speed, choose to sign in using your Google account. This can save you some time, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Mailerlite dashboard. Here, look for the tab labeled Campaigns on the left-hand side menu and give it a click. This is where you'll create and manage your email campaigns. Next, click on Create Campaign. This button is your gateway to crafting a new email journey for your subscribers. Select Regular Campaign when prompted. This option allows for the typical email setup, ideal for most marketing needs. Now, it's time to name your campaign. In the field provided, type a campaign name that reflects your email's purpose or content. It helps keep your campaigns organized for future reference. After naming your campaign, move down to the subject field. This is where you'll type the subject line of your email, the first impression your subscribers get. A compelling subject can significantly enhance your open rates, so make sure it stands out. Once you're satisfied with the subject, let's proceed by clicking on Recipients. Here, select all active subscribers. This ensures that your email reaches each and every contact in your list. After choosing your recipients, click on Select, and then Next Content. With the recipients set, it's time to focus on the content. Click on Template Gallery. This feature offers various pre-designed templates that add visual appeal and save you setup time. Browse through and select a template that aligns with your campaign's goal. Clicking on Choose will allow you to customize this template further. If you wish, you can spend some time editing the template. Tweak the design elements and text to match your brand's style and voice. Once you're done, click on Done Editing to finalize your content. At the finish line, all that's left is to hit Send. This final action launches your email into cyberspace, heading straight to your subscribers' inboxes. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a Mailerlite pro, sending out well-crafted and timely email campaigns to delight your audience. Thanks for joining, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.